You see, there's a difference between a rider and someone who just owns a motorcycle. Anyone can twist the throttle, but not everyone understands what truly happens between the road, the engine, and the soul. Real riders, those who live for that feeling of being one with the machine, know things that the average biker will never understand. Tiny secrets, invisible habits, mental tricks that separate the legends from the amateurs. Because riding isn't just about control, it's about connection with your instincts, your fears, and that razor-thin line between chaos and mastery. Most people think it's all about skill, but the truth? It's about awareness, discipline, and the kind of knowledge that doesn't come from tutorials. It comes from experience, from the cold mornings, the long rides, the near misses that teach you what survival on two wheels really means. If you don't know these 15 secrets, then you're not just missing out on becoming a better rider. You're missing the entire point of riding itself. These aren't tips. They're codes. Codes that only real riders live by. And once you understand them, you'll never ride the same way again. 1. The machine is alive. Your bike isn't just metal. It's alive. It breathes, it reacts, and it speaks. But only to those who listen. Every vibration, every sound, every flicker from the engine is a message. Real riders don't ride their bikes. They communicate with them. When you treat your motorcycle like a living being, it stops being a machine and starts being your heartbeat on wheels. 2. Speed means nothing without control. Anyone can go fast. That's easy. But control? That's art. Real riders know that true power isn't about pushing harder. It's about knowing when to pull back. Control is what separates a legend from a memory. It's what keeps your ego out of the throttle and your life out of danger. 3. Fear is not your enemy. Fear isn't weakness. It's warning. Every time you feel that chill before a corner or that hesitation before a risky move, that's your body protecting you. Real riders don't fight fear. They decode it, because fear isn't there to stop you. It's there to guide you. 4. Real riding starts when you're alone. Anyone can look skilled in a crowd, but the truth is revealed when it's just you, the road, and the silence. When there's no one to impress, that's when you meet your real self. A true rider doesn't ride for approval. He rides for inner clarity. 5. Learn to read the road. The road isn't random. It has patterns. It talks through its cracks, corners, and surface. Every line and shadow tells a story. Real riders don't just look at the road, they read it. That's how they stay one step ahead, predicting danger before it appears. 6. Maintenance is a mindset. Cleaning your chain, checking your oil, tightening your bolts, that's not maintenance, that's discipline. Real riders don't delegate it, they do it. Because every touch builds trust. A well-maintained bike doesn't just perform better, it forgives mistakes. 7. Your gear is your respect. Gear isn't about looking cool, it's about valuing your life. Every real rider wears it like armor, not fashion. Every helmet scratch could have been a scar. Every glove mark could have been your skin. If you truly respect the road, you'll never ride unprotected. 8. The throttle mirrors your mind. Your throttle reacts exactly how your mind feels. If you're angry, your acceleration jerks. If you're calm, your ride flows. That's why mental control is everything. Master your mind, and the throttle becomes your ally, not your weapon. 9. Don't compete. Evolve. Real riders don't chase other riders. They chase their own improvement. Competing feeds your ego, but evolving feeds your skill. Every ride should teach you something. Every mistake should refine you. Growth is the only real victory. N. Rain is your teacher. Most riders hide when it rains. Real riders train. Rain teaches patience, traction, and focus. It's where skill sharpens and balance matures. If you can control your bike in the rain, you can control it anywhere. Every drop challenges your precision. 11. The helmet is a temple. When you wear your helmet, you enter another world. Everything goes silent. It's just your breath, your heartbeat, your thoughts. That isolation isn't emptiness. It's focus. That's where real riders connect to something deeper, themselves. 12. Respect is the real badge. It doesn't matter what bike you ride, 150cc or 1000cc. What matters is respect. Respect the road, the riders, and even the beginners. Real riders uplift others instead of showing off, because true confidence doesn't need an audience. 13. Pain is a reminder. Every crash, every scar, every ache, they're not punishments, they're reminders. Pain humbles you. It whispers the lessons that arrogance blocks out. Real riders don't run from pain. They absorb the wisdom hidden inside it. 14. The road doesn't care. The road is neutral. It has no emotion. It won't forgive your mistake or pity your confidence. That's why every ride deserves your full respect. Arrogance kills faster than speed ever will. Real riders survive because they never underestimate the road. 15. A real rider never arrives. There's no finish line, no perfect rider. Every time you think you've mastered riding, the road reveals a new lesson. Real riders never stop learning, never stop refining, because the goal isn't to arrive, it's to evolve with every single ride. So, be honest with yourself for a second. How many of these 15 secrets do you actually live by? Not just know, but live. Because here's the truth. Owning a motorcycle doesn't make you a rider. Anyone with a loan and a license can do that. But understanding your bike, your fear, your limits, and your respect for the road, that's what separates you from the crowd. If even one of these points made you stop and think, that's your sign. You're evolving. You're not just riding. You're becoming. Now, I want to know, which of these secrets hit you the hardest? Which one do you secretly ignore? But no, you shouldn't? Drop it in the comments, because every rider has that one truth they don't admit until they've almost paid for it. And if you watched till the end, you're already different. You're not chasing speed, you're chasing mastery. Stay sharp, stay humble, and remember, the road doesn't care how cool you look. It only respects those who respect it.